Yeah, here we have a JHM short slugger magnetic drill press. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition and it does operate. So what we have is a piece of ferrous metal right here. It's steel, and you have to, in order to get the motor to run, you have to put it on some kind of ferrous metal. Anyway, what you do is it's loose right now. So you turn the unit on. Now it's magnetized, as you can see. Then you turn. Okay, and if you want to turn the magnet off, just turn the machine off, and then eventually that'll come loose. Like I said, overall it's in really good condition. It also includes a plastic carry case, some accessories here, your instruction manual, coolant reservoir, and here's your strap, your hold down strap right here, and some other accessories for the drill press.